How to get a full screen option on TikTok. First thing you do is open up your TikTok app, and then from here, in order to create a new video, you're just gonna have to simply go ahead and tap on the plus icon right at the bottom. So just tap on it to create a video. Now from here, I'm just gonna go ahead and record a short clip. So here I have just recorded a short clip in the video. I'm just gonna tap on this OK icon at the top, at the bottom, and then from here, you're going to have to tap on the edit icon at the right side of your screen. So now you are going to have to crop out this video. So just tap on this video, and then from here click on crop. And now you can crop out the video according to your need. And once that is done, you're going to have to rotate it. So tap on this rotate option, and you could rotate it 90 degrees or 270 degrees according to your need. And once that is done, you can just play the video and see if it's on the full screen mode. Now that's done, tap on next, and then you could just post the video from here. That's it for now. I'll catch you guys on the next one.